Hey there, superstars. Life's full of twists, turns, and serious questions. Like, how do you handle stress when exams hit? Or stand tall when self-doubt creeps in? What if you could unlock the skills to thrive right now? We see you. That's why SkillzUp Central is here, your go-to space to master life's toughest challenges. No boring lectures, just real skills for real life. Ready to level up? Dive into the following topics. Depression and anxiety are more than just feeling sad or nervous. They're real, treatable conditions that can affect every part of your life. But with the right tools and support, you can learn to manage them and thrive. Exercise isn't just about staying fit. It's a powerful tool to boost your mood, reduce stress, and build resilience, helping you feel stronger both physically and mentally. Self-confidence and self-esteem are the foundation of a fulfilling life. They help you embrace your worth, face challenges with courage, and believe in your ability to achieve your dreams. Healthy relationships with family and friends are built on trust, respect, and open communication. They provide a safe space to grow, share, and feel supported through life's ups and downs. Stress management is about finding balance, learning to recognize your triggers, practice calming techniques, and build habits that help you stay grounded and in control, even when life gets overwhelming. Plus, new topics drop every season. Stay tuned. Learn your way. Binge watch videos, crush quizzes, or vibe with podcasts. Earn skills coins to unlock merch, certificates, or even mentorship sessions. Let's hear from some learners.
I never knew exercise could calm my anxiety. Now I'm hooked.
Journaling my feelings, such a lifesaver.
Yay, top of the leaderboard, so excited.
Join the movement, SkillzUp Central, where you grow stronger, smarter, and unstoppable. Sign up now and let's rewrite your story. Visit the Zero Regrets website and follow us on social media.